All right, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Urrutia here, and we're going to go over Unit 4, Lesson 10, practice problem number 6. Complete the table, explain or show your reasoning. Object, ceiling fan, water bottle cap, bowl drum, radius are here, and the circumference is here. Okay, so you see here we have circular objects, a ceiling fan, water bottle, bowl, and a drum. And here we're going to complete the table by knowing the relationship between the circumference of a circle and the radius. So remember that the radius is from the center going to the edge of the circle. So it's halfway across, it's half of the diameter. So when you know the radius, to find the circumference, you're going to do 2 times the radius, then times pi. And pi is 3.14. So that's what we're going to do here for all these examples. Okay. For our first one, the ceiling fan, the radius is 2 8/10. 2 times the radius, I'm going to double that and I get 5.6. Then I'm going to multiply that by 3.14. Okay, multiply that out and I get 17 584 thousandths. For the water bottle cap, I have the same thing, right? Same process of finding it. 2 times the radius, then times pi. The radius is 13. I double that and I get 26. Then times pi, 3.14, and I get 81 64 hundredths. Okay, so these two are simple, just multiplying. And just remember that you need to multiply by the diameter, which is double the radius. So not just times the radius, but doubling it. Now for the circumference, it's the same relationship, but now I'm going backwards. So now I know the circumference. So here I have the circumference, 56.5 equals pi times the diameter. Okay, so now I'm thinking what number times pi is going to give me this? To find that number, I'm going to divide. So I divide these two numbers and I get 17 99 hundredths. But now in the table, it's asking me for the radius. So I'm going to do half of that, which is 8 995 thousandths. And then for the drum, same thing as the one above, as the bowl. So same relationship. Circumference is pi times the diameter. Circumference is right here, 75 4/10 times pi equals the diameter. So I'm going to divide by pi and I get 24 100. That's the diameter. So now to find the radius, I'm going to take this 24 100 and divide it by 2. And I get 12 5 thousandths. So it's just reviewing the relationship of the circumference and the radius. And remember that when you're given the radius, you're going to have to double or half it, because the relationship that we're used to seeing is for the diameter. The radius is always half of the diameter. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.